Welcome to Wayne and Dave's Automotive. I'm Chris.
Wayne and Dave's Automotive have been the high desert commuters' one-stop shop for all your transportation solutions, serving the Antelope Valley since 1988. From full restoration to complete maintenance, including high-tech computer alignment, shocks, struts, AC repairs, brakes, and complete engine repair and overhaul. Computers, electrical, it's Wayne and Dave's Automotive. Proudly serving the Antelope Valley since 1988. Hey, call right now for quality service. 661-949-2924. Every vehicle needs proper maintenance in order to keep running as it should. We recommend manufacturer service guidelines to get the most out of your car's performance. Wayne and Dave offers same-day service on most jobs with appointments. So call today, 949-2924 for free estimates. That's Wayne and Dave's Automotive.